yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot.
Hi guys, look who is back on YouTube. It's been a minute. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tommy James, in case you're new here, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back to my channel today. It's been a minute, I said that, I know. So guys, basically I've been gone for like 8 months, if not more than, and it just surprised me that a lot of people are still finding my channel and still subscribing to it. When I check my subscribers, I think it should be reducing, but no, it's not. And I'm so super grateful for all of you that is still with me, all of you that found me even while I was away. I am so grateful for that. I feel like I owe you guys like a life update video before I start posting, and I've just not had time to do the whole setup and all of that, so I just feel like I'm just going to add it to this video, and this is why this is a tutorial video. We're going to get right to it shortly, but I just feel like I owe you a life update. Where have I been and all of that, and I don't want to procrastinate on that too, so I'm just going to, you know, make it with this video, and that's what I'm doing right now. Where have I been? I've not been anywhere. Honestly guys, nothing has been happening, nothing extraordinary has been happening. I've just been here, I've been working, I've been trying to do better with my craft, with my brand, trying to increase my staff strength, trying to, you know, grow and all of that basically. And why I've not uploaded is just that, and then a little bit of procrastination, as I said. But I'm here. I'm going to try as much to come here every week to post tutorials, business updates, life updates, all of that, vlogs and all of that good stuff. So I'm going to be here every week, and I'm so thankful for you for being here, for sticking with me. Like, I am so grateful for it. That being said, let's jump right into the tutorial.
So guys, today's tutorial is a topic I promised my Instagram people I was going to post, and so I just thought, okay, I'll post it here. Alright, I'm going to teach about filling the track of your closure wig. And why I am teaching this is because a lot of people, a lot of braid wig makers I have seen, do not do this. So let me first show you what the track is. Okay, the track is like the sewn in part, the place where you sew in your closures or frontals to your wig cap. Okay, that part needs to be filled, and a lot of people do not do this, and I mean a lot of people. I have seen pictures, I have seen brands that do not do this. I want to assume that they do not know the importance of this. And okay, I'm using a Ghana weaving. If you do not know, this is our wig Betty, most popular wig Betty, and I'm using it because it's a Ghana weaving, and it's the best one to use for this tutorial, because feeling of this kind of closure is different from the feeling of a, you know, knotless closure, and I'm going to show you why shortly. Okay, so firstly I'm going to teach you how to fill in the track. Okay, I hope you guys can see us. Okay, so I'm going to take a crochet pin. Please ensure that your crochet pin is tiny. What you want to do is fill in the gap between those two, you know, Ghana weaving. Like I said, I use Ghana weaving because the Ghana weaving is already laid flat, and we do not, if you do not want your wig to be bulky, you do not fill underneath the Ghana weaving. It is in between those Ghana weaving. If you fill underneath it, it's going to be very bulky. If you've checked the tutorial with Betty that I've made like a year ago, this is how we do it. Like, we fill everywhere, even underneath the Ghana weaving, and it made it bulky. But to get a very flat, you know, Ghana weaving, you fill in between those Ghana weaving. You understand what I mean? Like, you fill in between it. So this way it does not make your wig bulky. It helps you to get a very, very flat, you know, Ghana weaving. So the pin you're going to be using, it has to be small so that you do not ruin your what's it called, closure, you know, net. Alright, so what I do is I pass my crochet pin through the net, that's through the wig cap, underneath the place I you know, add that thread, and then I pass it a bit into, you know, the closure net, and I pull out like that. Like, you want to be very careful. This is why you want to use a very tiny crochet pin. You can use the regular small one too, but you have to be careful. So like I would say, you pick the size of the hair you want to make, divide it into two, one smaller unit and then the bigger one. You pick the smaller one, alright, and then pass it through the crochet pin. Carefully pull out, you understand, carefully pull out, carefully, and then you have it. Then you can just braid. Okay, I just want to show you how that is done. You know the process of putting that hair in. Okay, so I'm just going to teach you how to braid on it. It's like you normally braid, but you have to be careful of one thing, alright, and I'm going to show you shortly after I pass it through the crochet pin, sorry, carefully. So this one that I passed in is going to stand as like the hair, you know, and then I'm going to pick another attachment. You know, we splitted it into two. I'm going to pick the bigger size, you know, and then start to braid. Now what I'm trying to explain here is that if your closure is like wild, you might not need this for Ghana weaving, not knotless, okay, because it might not be showing, you get, if it is Ghana weaving. But if it's knotless, even if it's frontal, you have to feel the track. Now here is the deal. When you want to braid, you want to be careful, but you want to be very firm as well. You want that thick, you know, part of that knot to be placed right, you know, on the closure, in between that space. I'm going to show you, please. I feel like you should look at it more than I'm explaining. Alright, I'm just going to braid and just show you what I mean shortly.
End up in basements, online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better come take it. Always they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive.
So after braiding, you have to ensure that knot is sitting pretty on the, you know, closure. Okay, this is the one I made and I want to show you the difference. This one is having that, you see this one is not covering the tracks. If you do that, at the end of the day, the whole thread and everything will still be showing, you understand. This second one, it's not it. But this first one, you see the knot place is sitting right, you know, on that track, and that's you feeling it, you understand. So you have to, as you braid, you have to hold your hand firmly but carefully so that you do not tear your net, but it has to be firm. It has to be placed right in between that place because it is covering the track. That is the name. That is what we want to do, you understand. This one is not covering the track. It's not placed carefully, you know, on it. I hope you understand that.
Yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like
I've made two here and you can really see how it is starting to conceal, to, you know, fill that space, you understand. So I'm going to show you a video of me filling one side. You see, this is the side that I've filled and I haven't filled the other side. You can obviously see the difference. Like filling the track is just what you need. You do not need to fill your wig excessively. This is what most people do. They do not know this, and then they fill the back of the closure, the back of the wig, and it's very heavy. Like it will make your wig heavy. You understand what I mean? So that's just it basically. So here I have filled all of the part, like I have filled both sides, and I'm going to make a video. I'm going to show you how it looks when I've not filled it and how it looks now. You can obviously see the difference. So what I want to say about you know, if it is a what's it called, knotless, you, instead of filling in between, you fill round round the closure of frontal, like round it, no space at all, because it is knotless. The reason for this Ghana weaving like this is because the Ghana weaving is laid back, like we made it, and it's going to stay in that position, you understand. But for knotless, I mean, you can pack it anywhere, so you want to conceal the back.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And until I see all of you amazing people in my next video, stay safe. I love you.